Hot Fish. The winner is
Good evening to everyone. It's great to be here. It's our first year in Weibo, and the experience has been fantastic. We are very grateful for this recognition for our product and for our skin pack solution. Let me speak about a little bit about Globalimar. Globalimar is a company is based in the north of Spain, near to Barcelona. We are specialized in seafood products across a range of crustaceans, bivalves, surimi, fish, and cephalopods. And from our foundation, the innovation is always in our culture and in our philosophy. And because of that, we made the decision that invest in that technology and to launch a range of products in a skin pack packaging. So far, the feedback from the market has been very positive, and this hour tell us that that was a good decision. Thank you very much. Thanks again to everyone, and thanks to Abel for this event.
okay. Great. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming on stage. I would like to call. Sorry.